The centre has reviewed COVID situation in 10 states, showing an upsurge in COVID cases and positivity. Let's go across to Akshay Dongre for more on this. Akshay, what is the centre's assessment and advice to these 10 states?
Well, this was a high-level meeting as far as the meeting that was conducted by the Union Health Secretary is concerned, Mr. Rajesh Bhushan. Several high-profile people from the Health Ministry were present there, including the Director of National Health Mission, the Director General of ICMR, among the people who reviewed the situation in these 10 states. Now, the thing is, the positivity rate is a troubling factor as far as these 10 states are concerned. As far as the data is concerned, there are 46 districts that are reporting over 10% of positivity rate, and there are 53 other districts that are reporting a positivity rate between 5 to 10%. Now, if you look at the situation, while most of the cases are coming up in Kerala, the situation is very, very worrying, because the other states that are showing an upsurge in the number of cases and positivity rate, apart from Kerala, are Maharashtra, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and several states in the northeastern part of the country, including Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and Assam. So, the situation is being monitored by the Health Ministry. As far as the measures are concerned, then yes, as far as these districts with a high positivity rate is that the government has advised that strict restrictions should be implemented in these places, so that intermingling of people can be avoided. Private hospitals have been encouraged to set up oxygen plants there in the hospitals. There are other measures that have been advised by the central government, including second vaccine has to be given priority among the vulnerable people. Vaccine coverage should be increased, testing should be ramped up. So these are some measures that has been advised by the central government. But as we are seeing that the number of cases are not dying down, Rohit. The number of cases have been steadily around 40,000 for the past several weeks, and that is what is the biggest concern here, because if what we are seeing in the state of Kerala is seen in other parts of the country as well, then there can be a third wave of COVID-19 similar to what we have seen in the past as well.
All right, Akshay Dongre, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us with those details.